Hi everyone, welcome to Aerox. Now we are going to see an on-site oxygen generating system and its operations. This system mainly consists of an air compressor, air tank, air dryer, oxygen generator, oxygen tank, and an auto changeover system as well. All these units are integrated one after another in such a way it can produce oxygen gas. Let us start the system one by one, starting with compressor. This is a screw type compressor which provides compressed air at 8 bar pressure as a maximum. Here we are using dual compressor. One will be in operation, one will be kept in standby mode. Then the compressed air goes to this air tank. Here operating pressure will be 7 to 8 bar. Thereafter it passes through the filter which is having the size of 5 micron. Here water and dust particles are trapped and removed more preferably. This is a refrigeration based dryer. This unit maintains 2 degrees Celsius dew point and cools down the compressed air which passes through. Thereby it removes 100% water molecules present in the compressed air line. Behind this dryer outlet we kept one more filter which has the pore size of 0.1 micron. Then the compressed air passes through this 0.1 micron filter. Have a look on this, which traps oil, vapor, aerosols present in the compressed air line. Till this moment, we have achieved high quality medical grade air, which is then supplied to this oxygen separation unit. That means oxygen generator. Here, have a look on this. This is the heart of the system, main heart of the system. This unit works based on the principle of PSA technology, pressure swinging adsorption. That means pressure is swinging. That means the pressurized air is swinging between these two vessels. These vessels are filled with zeolite molecules, which has the property to hold nitrogen under high pressure and allows oxygen to pass through. And then the produced oxygen is sent through this line. You can see this is what the output of this generator, which is connected to the oxygen storage tank. Have a look on this. Here this oxygen storage tank will be filled with 5 bar pressure, and the purity value will be around 93% plus or minus 3. That means 90, start with 90 and maximum is 96%. This is where the outlet connection it can be taken from 5 bar to 4.2 bar as per Indian standard. The pipeline pressure has to be. Here, with the regulator, we can reduce 5 bar into 4.2 bar, and then it can be given to the hospital pipeline. Left side is the one set of machine, and right side is the another set of machine. Each set can produce 1000 LPM, together 2000 liter. That means 450 cylinders per day, 2 systems. This entire system requires no manual intervention and everything is automated. Purity and pressure is continuously monitored and measured. Okay.